Hi, I'm Ivy, CEO and co-founder of EasyMate. Let me show you how to set up your sales assistant to start capturing leads on your website. If you can fill out a form, you can do this. Let me walk you through it. Step 1, give it a name. EasyMate even suggests one. Then pick a personality that sounds like you. It's like training a new employee. Step 2, its goals. Choose what to collect from visitors. Name, email, phone already filled in for you. If you want the lead to book a call, add your scheduling link here. Step 3, the rules. The safety rules are already on, and you pick any topics to avoid. And when it doesn't know an answer, it shares your contact details or invites them to book a call. It never guesses. And you can add your own rules, like always recommend a booking discovery call or never mention a competitor's name. Step 4, your customers. Tell it who you serve and how you help them. A few taps and it understands who it's talking to. Step 5, your content. This is how it learns your business and you don't even have to write a thing. Just paste your website or drop in a brochure and that's how EasyMate learns your business. Step 6, qualifying. It sorts your serious buyers from people who are just browsing and knows exactly what to ask. All written for you here. Just review and confirm. Then watch it work. Chatting with customers right on your website. Try it yourself first. Happy with it? Open the Launch tab and press Launch Sales Assistant. Confirm, and it's live. To add it to your website, click Copy to grab the little code snippet and paste it into your site's header. Or just send it to whoever manages your website. That only takes seconds. And remember, you're always in control. Change anything or take it offline anytime. Nothing is permanent. Your sales assistant is now working for you day and night, and every lead flows into your leads portal automatically. Now, let's go set up your leads portal.